Hey friends, it's Gabby and back here in front of you, and today we are gathered on my floor and we are gonna do another episode of Study with a Dummy. I actually really like this series because it makes me feel very productive and I get hit two birds with one stone by studying and also making a video. I have a lot of things to do because it is nearing the end of the marking period, which is like in 2 weeks or so. And so I have to accomplish a lot of stuff. In today's video, I have to accomplish my algebra homework, my chem project, and try to do my bio study guide. You guys really can't see as much, but I have all of my things here at the bottom right now. This is my molecule project for my chem class. I have my calculator and my algebra notebook, which is literally falling apart. And then I have my laptop with me. I'm just gonna bring out my paintbrushes and decide what colors I want to make this molecule as, because this is HCl. I did it with air dry clay. Obviously, I've been on a roll with using air dry clay, and I'm surprised that I did the flat surface really well because I used this and also my palms to flatten the surface. So most of them look like this. I'm probably gonna do a blue and green one since there's not really a specific color to make it as. Probably shouldn't have worn white because I just realized that I'm gonna be painting. Likely that I could stain my shirt. I'm gonna wait for this to dry a little because I'm like almost done with the molecule itself. I'm sorry if I've been filming on the floor these days. It's because my table is full of stuff. So far I've done the molecule itself and it's looking real good. I just need to color the base, but I have to wait for that to dry first. So I'm gonna do my math homework first while I'm waiting. This is the number of pages I have left for this notebook. Literally just like, I only have 4 pages left. So far, I've only gone until like number 1, which is a lot already. So far, I think it has dried up, and so I'm gonna continue painting and then move on. So my camera battery died, and while I let my battery charge, I broke my thing. Now I have my tacky glue and I'm gonna try and fix it. The sun already set, and so I have to make do with the lighting from my light over here, because if I ever use my lamp, it's always unnatural, which was what happened in my last video. I'm gonna let this dry on the side while I do my math homework, since I'm already done with one of the things that I have to accomplish right now, so yay! At the moment, it's taking me a while to do this because it's so hard. Just so you guys know, I ate dinner while I was charging my camera, so that's why I haven't had progress during the time I was charging my camera, so yeah. So far I'm at number 4. I'm really taking such a long time because this is a lot of work. So it finally stuck together. It's not falling apart now. Yeah, I'm really proud of my molecule, by the way. So far I'm at number 5, and this is like the entire page. I write really small, so this is a lot of numbers. Look at my baby. So I think it's time to end the vlog because this is an hour-and-a-half long video and I'm not willing to edit that much. And yeah, I'm at number 6. And then I finished this. For the most part, I focused on doing this because it was the easiest. And then this was just hard. I didn't even get to finish it yet, but I'll finish it as soon as I can. But for now, this is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed studying with me, the dummy. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I would be willing to make them. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. I stained my shirt while painting. I have a little bit of yellow everywhere. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and keep studying. And if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe. It's right down below, probably red. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. So I hope you all keep growing. Bye. 거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살